So, good evening guys. Ayan, para akong lasing sa filter kasi ang blush on andito. Anyway, it's very rare po na magrarant, hindi naman magrarant or mag-open up ako anything about something even sa Facebook account ko. Very rare. So anyway, this time maglalabas lang po ako ng damdamin about SSS. So I'm not sure if may iba sa mga friends ko, sa mga followers ko na nakaranas ng ganito, but just to give you a brief history about sa SSS, na ito yung concern ko is that si papa ko namatay November 2029. November 2009. Sorry. So from that time, naka-receive kami around 30,000. Pero bago ko pa na-receive yun, naalala ko talaga how many times I have to go to the office.